Very good evening, friends and traders. Welcome back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, analyzing the Nifty for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, 23rd July. Almost we are at the tail end of the month, 23rd July. Only 1 week is left for the monthly expiry. Now, let us analyze the price action. Actually, what has happened here is little bit twist in the market. This is the Friday. It started coming down. That was the continuation from the previous week. And Monday made a lower low, and then a very good recovery in the market, closing almost near the high of the Friday's range. And then today, what happened is the market moved higher. It faced resistance around this area. That's what I had made in my morning video. That is around 25,190 to 25,200. Market is going to resist. Same thing. That's what happened. Open high, it made in 25,181. It could not sustain. From the opening bell itself, it started coming down, closing inside the Monday's range. Nothing has changed. So Monday's range is from 24,845 to 25,093. But it has closed within the Monday's range, and the immediate supports are present in the Monday range are 24,995. And the weekly balance line is placed around 25,030. And the market has closed inside the range. And if you observe the VIX, VIX is contracting. Volatility is contracting like anything. 10.77. It has contracted to 10.77. So the reading continuously was around 11.2, 11 point like that. And today the volatility VIX has contracted too much, 10.77. So based on that, the levels to watch out are 25,202 on the upper side and 24,919 on the lower side. Something peculiar is happening in the market. If I zoom it out, this is an open high candle. It has been taken out and closed near the high. And today it is open high. Again, open high candle has taken this open high candle, Friday's high, and closed inside the range. Though it is bearish close, but the price action is within the Monday's range. Monday's range is 24,845, 882, sorry, 882 to 25,093. So I cannot become bearish because the immediate boundary is here. So if the market takes support around this area, around 25,000, if I place the cursor, 24,988, and this is the flip zone, 25,008. Suppose if the market takes support and reverses and takes off this open eye candle, it can make an attempt to move higher. Higher to the VIX high level of 25,200. Otherwise, if the market makes an high like this and comes down, if it starts moving down, it can lead to another red bar. Probably it may end within the Monday's range, but it becomes a bearish setup and market may continue down move on Thursday, and then it will show that the correction is not over yet. Here, 24,882 is almost the June. If I place the cursor, June low is around, this is the June low, 12th June. If I go back, 3rd June levels are 24,492. The market rallied from 3rd June to up to 11th June, and then it retested this level 24,502, and then it started moving higher. So probably if the market wants to come down, it can retest 24,700 to 24,686. That may be in the coming week. We need to carefully watch for the price action. But otherwise, what should be your strategy for tomorrow is, these are the immediate levels, 24,993, and immediate resistance is around 25,142. Suppose the market takes off and starts moving above 25,142, it becomes positive to go up to the VIX level of 25,202. Or otherwise, if it halts here, get resistance around 25,122, and then if it starts trading lower, it can break the weekly low and it can move down to the level of 24,990. So the level of action is only between 25,142 to 24,986 or 25,007. So this is the immediate level to watch in the market. That is 25,142 on the upper side and 25,004 on the lower side. If the market gets resistance around this area, gets rejected from this area, down move can continue breaking below this level. Or otherwise, if the market sustains this level, 25,134, and a bullish candle is formed and a movement, it will resume towards the 25,202. The buying will emerge in the market. So today, this is open high candle. Sometimes the stop losses will be above this open high candles. Stop losses will be there, and people who have gone short might have placed their stop losses above these levels. So there is plenty liquidity above this level as well as 25,202. And if I observe something is there, this is the breakdown level where it is an imbalance, continuous. You can see the movement of the price action. It's like a waterfall over here. There is an imbalance, fair value gap is there. Liquidity pool, liquidity, dynamic liquidity is available in that area. The market can do that if it starts moving above and sustaining above these levels, it can move up to 25,320. Why I'm saying this is because of the volatility contraction. So wild type of movement can be anticipated in the market, either to the upside or to the downside. Immediate levels are 25,142 and 25,007. These are the important red bulb, or you can flashing bulb levels for the market tomorrow. So watch out for these levels very carefully and wait patiently and see the price action. Coming to the Bank Nifty, if I see the Bank Nifty also made the open high candle, and it a little bit it has taken out the open high candle. That is, it is Thursday's candle, and it has moved above the weekly. Friday and Monday, it has broken above that and it has moved past. Now, same thing, it has come inside the Monday's range. And if I carefully observe, there is equal low in this area. Suppose if the market comes down and grabs the liquidity beneath this, around 56,550, it can return. Because the range is not broken and the market is within the range. So we cannot anticipate for the boundary breakouts here. So immediate resistance for the Bank Nifty is 57,061 and immediate supports are 56,424. So you need to watch out for the price action. Here, what the market is doing is it is coming down, moving higher, and it is moving higher, and again moving down, and it has made a double top over here. Again, double top. Double top in this area. You can bring this double top. So double top is a double top and double bottom. Suppose if the market takes the liquidity, it can gather momentum to cross above this level, double top, because there will be static liquidity available for the market. Even here also, you can get a static liquidity in the market. That's how it is. So, Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow, we can anticipate for a wild type of movement in the market because of the contraction of the volatility. Suppose if the market, if it shows wild movement, expansion of volatility can be seen in the market. So note down all these levels, and the VIX levels are 24,919 and 25,202 on the upper side. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I wish you all happy and profitable trading day.